Greetings, my name is Gerard. Welcome to Just From the Trade. This is the 200 chart, and right now we are possibly getting something close to a range. And if it breaks this, we will enter on the confirmation, meaning a second candle in the same direction. A second candle in the same direction. Okay, now, okay, we're in. So from here, ooh, not a good sign. Not a good sign. Let's see if it crosses the low. Okay, I'm out. And we entered here. That was a loss. That was wow. It's good we exited early. Very proud of you, Gerard. Now let's see. Oh man, it went down again. Okay, so if it gives us, it's not pushing. So maybe what we're gonna have to deal with is a very, very short trades. If it crosses this SMA, goes here, maybe. But there's a lot of indecision right now. A lot of indecision. What was this? Going to draw a line here. That's the safe trade line. If it crosses this decisively, we might consider an entry. Interesting. Is it gonna cross? Crosses it and stays on top. Let's consider an entry. Ooh, tail. See this tail here. Let's see if it's gonna cross the high like that. Now, one of the key things with trading is waiting for a confirmation. Now, there's a chance if crosses. Wow. Okay. So let's figure out what's going on here. Okay. There's a chance. There's a chance that this is a range. And I've lost fortunes and not won anything on ranges. So there's a range happening here. Let's wait for it to be broken. And again, my rules for range trading are almost the same, but they require an extra. See here? They require an extra confirmation. So for example, this 6, 6. Let's see. Okay. Crosses. Okay, and then is it gonna break the low? Ooh. Okay. Let's see if we cross this. Let's see if we cross this high. Wow. Let's see if it will cross the high. $8.37, and that's a lot of movement. Before a lot of volatility and no real movement before 8.40. Let's go. Let's break the high. Wow. Okay. Let's range here. Let's see if it will break. Said. See if it's gonna break this line. It does. Let's just accept that it's just not gonna break. Let's see if we'll break this line and continue. Finally broke. Let's hope it just goes down. Man, that's a... Ooh, man. Is it gonna break? Low. Let's hope it breaks the low. Can you reverse? Let's hope it breaks the low and continues down. I'm gonna put this line here. That way I know. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's continue. From here, 87. That would be ideal if it got there. Amazing, but if not, let's take what the market gives us. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's cross the low. Let's do this. If not, we have to be prepared for an exit. The market has been very choppy. Okay, it's getting close. It touched it. Okay, now let's get ready for a reversal in case it reverses. Okay, I'm out. Oh, what a market today. Wow. So what are we seeing here? What time is that? 8:30. We're seeing that it did not break until 8:30 with a trade around 8:39. That's when we entered. Let's see. There's a chance it might break this and we get a trade up. Be wonderful, but 37. Let's just wait a little bit. Just wait. If it breaks this, let's wait for confirmation. If we're gonna enter a trade, a reversal trade, let's see if we're gonna get confirmation at least. Ooh. Okay, we got confirmation. Yes, is it gonna cross the black line? Oh man, reversed. Let's see if it will break. Black line. Oh no, I don't think it will. Red tape. Wow, it's a lot of volatility. Okay, cross, let's go, cross this line, cross it, cross the black line. Let's go, yes, wonderful, wonderful. Now, if it reverses past this, let's exit. Wow, it did. And revert back up. That's a lot of volatility today. Volatility. The market is very choppy. We survived it. We had 2 losses. By the way, this is enervating. Why aren't you just, if you knew you were going to go up, who's up? I just want it. A lot of indecision, but then we have a rules. I knew that if it was going to cross this line, it would have been best for us to exit. Let's see if we will get a trade down, but The market is so choppy this morning. Super choppy. Wow. To be honest, the one good trade of this morning is this one here, in which I wonder if there's something I didn't do well, especially about those first early trades. So this one here, it crossed, got confirmation. Then this one crossed and confirmation. So I think I understand where I went wrong. So the confirmation that I have, I should have exited at the high of that confirmation. Let's see if this is going to continue up. Wonderful. Wonderful. That's the second good trade of the day. What time was that? 8:46. Let's hope it doesn't reverse past this line. Let's hope it continues up. Oh non, continue. Wow. Okay. So I will say it's very choppy today. But what I'm really trying to understand is where I didn't do well here. And I believe that, let's say, 30. Okay. So 30 here. Down. Did we enter a trade here? So this trade, maybe we should have, this normal trade, we should wait for not just confirmation, but at the high after. So this one got close, didn't cross. Maybe that's the issue that we had. Then this happened. 1, 2. Cross. Now, interestingly, this crossed, and then so we enter here. From here, 11 to this, that's 3 points. And that's all we can do. That being said, thank you very much for being with me on this day of trade. Today was a super choppy day, and today was a day of, I would say, survival. And I'm glad that we have our rules to help us. No movement seems to be safe. To survive this market, you need confirmation. For example, look at this huge candle up. You'd think the price would go up, but then all of a sudden you get this reversal. And also the other rule is don't just enter after confirmation. Enter maybe a point, half a point, or a point after the confirmation candle has been set. That's the advice. For example, here, let's say entering here. Wonderful. So there's red tape happening here. If it doesn't cross it decisively, we should exit. But yes, it's continuing. Is it going to go all the way down? It reversed the red tape. It reversed the red tape right away. And that's the rule. If it crosses, so first of all, Gerard, good job. You saw this and you knew that was a trade. So from here, 1811 to here, that's 3 points, but then it reversed just brutally. It reversed. Wow. So there's no time. There's no time. There's almost no time. The rules are the rules. For example, here I knew that if it reversed, I should exit, and it did that. And from here to here, that's 5 points. That's a huge loss I could have taken if I didn't take my small profits right away. It's a huge loss. But that's a very good trade. Very good trade. Very proud of you, Gerard. You know, I would say this. Let's see. You know what's interesting? Today's one of those days where you have to be happy with what just happened here. You have to be happy with what you made. Normally, this is, you know what? Let's change our perspective. Let's shift what we have to gratitude. To be able to survive a choppy market like this and be able to make good decisions and feel good about yourself, that's where years of skills and the right education comes in. And let's just say I'm happy and proud of myself for at least having generated something. Very happy about that. Okay. This is me signing off. Thank you very much for being there with me. Look at this. Thank you for this day of trade. And remember, you may not have every session end with profit, but if you can end with you being proud of yourself and having respected your rules, that's what you can ask for. Surely. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.